The Power of Eyeliner. Why it's a game changer. Eyeliner? It's a makeup must-have. Eyeliner can transform your look. It enhances your eyes. It makes them pop. Want a dramatic look? Eyeliner is key. Want something subtle? Eyeliner can do that too. It's versatile and powerful. Mastering eyeliner takes practice. But don't worry. With the right tips, anyone can do it. Let's unlock the secrets to flawless eyeliner. Winged eyeliner is a classic makeup look that never goes out of style. It's chic, timeless, and can elevate any makeup look to the next level. But getting that perfect wing, it can be tricky and frustrating. Many of us have struggled with uneven lines and smudges. Step 1. Start with a good base. This is crucial for a long-lasting and smooth application. Use an eyeshadow primer to prevent smudging and to ensure that your eyeliner stays in place all day. Step 2. Draw a thin line along your upper lash line. This will serve as the foundation for your winged look. Extend it slightly past the outer corner of your eye. This extension is what will give you that iconic winged effect. Step 3. From the tip of the line, draw a diagonal line back towards your crease. This creates the wing and adds that dramatic flair. Step 4. Fill in the wing. Make sure to fill it in completely for a bold and defined look. Finally, connect it to your lash line for a smooth, sharp look. And there you have it, the perfect winged eyeliner. Want bigger, brighter eyes? Try Tightlining. This technique involves lining your upper waterline. Step 1. Choose a waterproof eyeliner. This prevents smudging. Step 2. Gently lift your upper eyelid. This exposes your waterline. Step 3. Carefully apply eyeliner to your waterline. Start from the outer corner and work your way in. Step 4. Use a small brush to smudge the liner slightly. This creates a softer look. Welcome to Section 4. Smudged eyeliner, effortless glamour in minutes. Today, we're diving into the art of creating a smudged eyeliner look that exudes both sexiness and effortlessness. Smudged eyeliner is sexy and effortless. It's a look that can be achieved quickly and easily, yet it gives off a vibe of sophistication and allure. It's perfect for a night out or any time you want a sultry look. Whether you're heading to a party, a date, or just want to feel glamorous, this look is versatile and timeless. Step 1. Apply eyeliner to your upper lash line. Make sure to get as close to the lashes as possible for a more defined look. Use a creamy pencil or gel liner. These types of liners are easier to smudge and blend, giving you that perfect smoky effect. Step 2. Use a small brush or your fingertip to smudge the liner. Gently blend the liner to soften the edges and create a more natural, lived-in look. Blend it upwards and outwards. This technique helps to lift the eyes and create a more open, awake appearance. Step 3. Apply a darker eyeshadow over the liner. Choose a shade that complements your eyeliner to add depth and intensity to your look. This adds depth and intensity. The darker shadow will enhance the smudged effect and make your eyes stand out even more. Step 4. Finish with mascara. Mascara will help to define your lashes and complete the look. Apply it to both your upper and lower lashes. This will ensure that your eyes look balanced and fully made up, giving you that effortless glamour in minutes. Section 5. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even pros make mistakes. Here are some common eyeliner blunders and how to fix them. Uneven wings. Use a piece of tape as a guide. Place it diagonally from the outer corner of your eye towards your eyebrow. Smudging. Set your eyeliner with eyeshadow. Use a matching shade or a translucent powder, pulling on your eyelid. Relax your face. Look straight ahead in the mirror. Section 6. Essential tools, your eyeliner arsenal. The right tools make all the difference. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, having the right eyeliner tools in your arsenal can elevate your look from simple to stunning. Here are some must-haves for flawless eyeliner. First up, pencil eyeliners. Great for beginners, easy to control and blend. Pencil eyeliners are versatile and can be used for both subtle and bold looks. They are perfect for smudging to create a smoky eye effect. Next, liquid eyeliners. Creates sharp, precise lines. Perfect for winged eyeliner. Liquid eyeliners are ideal for achieving that dramatic cat eye look. They dry quickly and stay put, making them a favorite for long-lasting wear. Then we have gel eyeliners, long-lasting and pigmented. Use with an angled brush for best results. Gel eyeliners offer the best of both worlds, combining the precision of liquid liners with the ease of pencils. An angled brush is essential for gel eyeliner, allows for precise application. This tool helps you create clean, defined lines and is perfect for detailed work. Cotton swabs are your best friend for cleaning up any mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect. They are great for correcting any smudges or uneven lines, ensuring your eyeliner looks flawless. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Try different types of eyeliners and techniques to discover your signature style. With a little effort, you'll be rocking flawless eyeliner in no time. Confidence comes with practice, so keep experimenting and perfecting your technique.